Hello, this tutorial is to discuss about chained conditional statements with an example program. The chained conditional statements are anotherly known as elif ladder statement. The elif ladder statement allows checking multiple expressions for true and executes a block of code as soon as one of the condition evaluates to true. The elif ladder statements that allows to select one block of code from multiple blocks could be used if the conditions are related to each other. If multiple conditions are not related to each other, use multiple if statements instead of elif ladder statement. Thus, elif ladder statements will be suitable only if we have such correlated kind of conditions. Depending on that conditions, only one block to be executed. Now we can see the format of elif ladder statement. It starts with a keyword if followed by an expression and the colon symbol and the block of statement which is part of the first if block, followed by elif and another second expression and colon symbol and a block of statement which is part of the second if. Is again followed by recurrence elif keyword and the expression and the block of statements which is part of the if block, and it will be followed by recurrence elif keywords if it is required, and finally an else keyword and a colon symbol and the block of statement which is required for the else block. Now if the first expression 1 evaluates to true, it will execute a block of statements within the if block directly. Now if the expression 1 becomes false, it goes to the second elif expression 2 and that will be evaluated. So the statements within elif block will be executed if the corresponding elif expressions results in true. That means if expression 2 results in true, it will execute a block of statement which is part of expression 2. Now, the third point is like conditions used in elif keyword will be checked only when all the conditions above it are evaluated to false. That means the expression 3 will be evaluated only if the expression 1 and 2 results in false. Once all expressions results in false, statements within the else block will be executed. The else block will be executed only if all the previous expressions results in false. Let us see a Python program to accept a number from the user, and we will display that it is a positive number, negative number or 0 using elif ladder statement. By using an input method, we can take a number from the user. The number will get stored into the variable n. By using an if statement, we can check that the number n is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, we print that it is a positive number. It is followed by an elif keyword and check the second condition that n is less than 0. If the number is less than 0, we print that it is a negative number. Now, if the first condition and the second condition both are false, it goes to the final else block. In the final else block, we print that the number is 0. Execute and see the program output of this. The input method will always return the data which is read from the user in the form of string. So if it requires to be an integer number, it requires a typecasting. So we have used the typecasting by using int method. So during the execution, if we enter the number as 10, it shows that it is a positive number. If we give the number as -2, it is showing that it is negative number, and if we enter the value as 0, it shows that the number is 0. So this program is an example for an else if ladder statement, in which in the first if statement we write one condition, it is followed by another elif keyword and the second condition, and if after the first condition and second conditions both results in false, the statement goes inside the else block. Thank you for watching this video.